I-DA igcizelele ukuthi angeke ibe ingxenye yenkulumo ngxoxo kazwelonke emayelana nesimo sezwe ngoba ngeke iqhamuke nesisombululo kuzinselele esibhekene nezwe.
And while this country is bleeding, and while our people are suffering, the government wants to now spend hundreds of millions of rands on a national dialogue, a talk shop with no action, no reform, no plan, and now by the looks of things, even more dwindling support.
uSteenhuisen uthi abasiboni isidingo sokwandiswa kwamaqembu kuhulumeni obambiswano.
I don't believe that expanding the GNU is going to assist the GNU to go forward. I think it's going to complicate things even further. We already have 10 parties in the GNU. It's one of the largest coalitions in the world. And I think that there should be rather more energy and focus spent on improving the relations amongst parties within the GNU.
Ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo ubhekene nengwadla ngodaba oluthinta akushicilela enkundleni yakhe ezokuxhumana ngaphambi kokuba ungqongqoshe nokwabe kunenhlese yokucwasa ngokwebala. I-DA ithi uhlobo olunjena lolwimi alisenandawo kulelizwe.
I don't think that that language has any place in South Africa. Just as singing Kill the Boer has no place in South Africa. I don't believe that those epithets or words belong in South Africa. I think that there's an extra duty of care on leaders in society to be careful about what they say and how they say it, and to ensure that we don't divide people.
I-DA ithi sifake isimangalo eKhomishaneni Yamalungelo Abantu ithi akufanele kubeke nokuchema emacaleni afuzeleli.